Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we present the picking workflow, part of the Warehouse Extensions bundle. The picking list module, included in the Warehouse Extensions bundle, enhances how picking operations are managed within a warehouse. This functionality consolidates all necessary sales order information into a single selection document to organize goods preparation in an orderly manner, and picking can be managed via automated tasks on mobile devices, providing real-time monitoring and detailed process logs. But first, what is a picking list? It is a document that manages picking operations, bridging sales orders and warehouse action. There are two types of picking lists available. The first one is direct picking list to customer, which allows for products to be shipped directly from storage without an intermediate bin. Then we have outbound picking, which involves moving products from storage bins to a specific outbound location for packaging. Let's see the picking workflow more in detail. Picking lists can be generated using the Generate Picking List button in the Sales Order window or manually via the Warehouse Picking List window. Orders must be booked and have a delivery status below 100% to be included. Once clicked, the pop-up window shows different fields to complete the generation. The picking list type has two options mentioned above. In this case, we choose Direct Picking List to Customer. Here, the picking list generation can be grouped using the Is Grouping Picking List field, grouping by business partner, by organization, or the default option Not Group, which means that a picking list is generated by each selected sales order. Since in this example we are choosing a direct picking list, the priority field is displayed to generate the task in the mobile app and assign the task to a warehouse operator. Once a picking list is created, the warehouse operator can pick the products required for the order efficiently using the mobile app. Remember, the only picking lists that are shown in the app are those marked as direct picking list to customer type. The warehouse operator opens the task on their mobile device to perform the physical picking process. They can verify the items and bins to be picked, in this case orange juice and pineapple juice, and then click the Start Picking button. Here we have the first product, a box of orange juice. We scan the box barcode and it is marked as scanned. Then we do the same with the other orange juice box, as shown here. And last, we scan a pineapple juice unit and enter the total quantity manually. Once at least one unit of any product is registered, the End Picking button becomes active. This allows partial picking, meaning only part of the requested quantity can be picked, which is useful when products are missing or unsuitable for use. After confirmation, the task is marked as completed. Once completed, the task will appear in the Completed Task section, where it is possible to review the validated products and quantities for that specific picking task. As we can see here, once the picking list is completed, the picking list is marked as all confirmed in the Warehouse Picking List window. The goods shipment with the corresponding lines is completed, and in the packing window, the user can find the goods shipment ready to pack the goods and continue with the packing process. This will be explained in a different video. As you can see, by bridging the gap between sales orders and final delivery, this picking functionality ensures that warehouse workflows are efficient, traceable, and fully optimized. To access this feature, you need the Warehouse Extensions bundle and must be using Etendo 25 or later versions. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, you can check the documentation in the description. See you in the next video.